Are your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones making weird loud sounds like popping, buzzing, or static? Here's how to fix it in a few quick steps. First, you have to try, forget, and reconnect your headphone. For that, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, find your Sony WH-1000XM6 and remove it from the list. Now you can try a hard reset. For that, press and hold the power button and the noise cancellation button about 20 to 25 seconds until the blue light blinks 4 times. Now wait 5 seconds and make your headphone into pairing mode. For that, press and hold the power button again about 3 to 5 seconds. Now when your WH1000XM6 shows up on your available devices, just reconnect it like new. Now you can try by turn off adaptive sound control. For that, you have to open up Sony Sound Connect app. Now from here, you will find adaptive sound control and make sure it's turned off. This helps stop sudden volume jumps or random noise changes. At the same time, take the update firmware. Go to device settings, go for system and scroll a bit. Here you will find this update software option. Tap on the settings icon, go for update status and make sure your headphone is up to date. Next, double check your headphones have enough charge. Let your headphone charge fully overnight around 8 hours because a deep charge can fix weird behavior like loud popping or buzzing sound. And that's it. I hope this will fix your issue. Thanks for watching.